Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of the build on the C32 Laurel. So, have everything out of the engine bay now, and it's ready to start getting it stripped down so I can start to freshen it all up. So, let's check it out. So as you can see, I pretty much have everything out of the engine bay. The only bits that are really left to come out is subframe and steering rack, this little bracket here for the fuel filter, and these little clips here for the wiring harness, this bracket here for the brake line that has come off along with all the rest of them, a couple of other few little bits and bobs. Now when I was stripping it there the other day, and I started to get a little tired, and when you get tired you start to rush things, so I managed to break a couple of yokes. So this was the headlight motor. As you can see, I've managed to snap the wiper arm off right at the bracket where it goes on, and I also managed to snap the other one off as well. So I was rushing, I started to get really tired and just wasn't thinking, and within, I'd say, the space of 15 minutes I had both of them broke. So raging. So what I'm going to do now is take out the subframe, steering rack, disconnect the steering column, drop the shocks out of it, get it up on axle stands, take all the other little bits off it that I don't need to be there for the moment, put them away for safekeeping. So safe that I'll probably never find them when I come looking for it. Okay, so I'm in the middle of stripping the suspension off this yoke, trying to get the subframe out. I don't know where this guy snuck up on me from. That. Okay. Right, okay. I didn't think I had an issue with spiders, but like, this dude. He kind of just snuck up on me from nowhere. I think it's when I took the brake pads off. Ooh. Oh, he's a big one. What? What the fuck is he? Look at the size of his arse. Wonder how much can we piss him off. Is this one of these false widows? Right, so finally have everything out of the engine bay. There is so much grease and dirt all around the place. Like I'm trying to, like I'm spraying tar and glue remover all over this, and that's just some of the rags that have come out of it. Like it is totally gunked up. I think the ideal thing to do would be to get a power washer at this. Mix with some detergent to try and take as much of the grease off, because I think I'm wasting my time with all the rags and spraying the stuff on it. So
There's water strike from the rear windows.
Where do you want the bonnet props?
G-force dog box.
Yeah.
Well, here, I'm gonna go park.
The Conga with the ramp, yeah.
I'm gonna go park my yoke. Alright? I'll see you in a bit.
that's fucking gorgeous.
Yeah, no, it's practice stuff. It's not bad, like the brakes not running standard brakes.
That's fucking, can't wait to.
You know the big track goes with it. Yeah. What's he doing? I can read it, not all yet.